Good morning, everyone. Once again, I'm Annabel Hippolyto Midal, proud independent distributor of Unified Product and Services. Our step-by-step tutorial for today is how to send eCash to eCash. It's very easy way to transfer a fund to our other member po. So, napakadali lang po ito. So, login po tayo sa ating account. And then, imagine na kahit nasaan ka po, pwede mo mag-transact. Kasi very easy kasi nga, i-encode mo lang yung reg code ng iyong co-member, hindi po ba? So make sure of course bago tayo mag-send ng fund, may laman naman po yung eCash natin, hindi po ba? So yan, may eCash pa po tayo. So punta po tayo kay remittance. Remittance, click po natin si send. Then si send, nandun po si eCash to eCash. Then si dealer's reg code. So ito po yung bibigyan nyo po ng fund or yung papasahan nyo po ng fund. So dahil na-copy paste ko naman po siya, paste ko lang din, then amount. So key-in nyo lang po yung amount na ipapasa nyo and then your transaction password. So imagine, napakadali talaga kasi okay. So binulong ko muna po yung aking transaction password kasi malilito ako. So imagine just 1 minute. So pwede po tayo mag-transact. So at kagandahan sa eCash to eCash po is flat rate po. Sa ating home base, 25 peso lang po ang charge natin from 100 to 50,000. Kaya very convenient po pag eCash ang gagamitin natin. So, yun lang po for today and I hope makuha ng ating mga business partner. Once again, I'm Annabel Hippolyto Midal, proud independent distributor of Unified Product and Services. Good morning!